Ah. So happy, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. More makeup too, more makeup too. Wow, this is fantastically good. Let me show you. Come on. See, and the quality is good. The quality is good. Hey, la 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 la. Hey, hey, God is good. Hey, give me all your in my hand. Make my life never be deep. Give me better, give me better again. Until they come in again. Hey, 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 give me all your in my hand. Make my life never be deep. I'm just happy. Give me better, until they come in again. What's going on? See, can you imagine? Can you imagine? It's beautiful. Very beautiful. I have one before. I have another one before. Then it just spoiled. I was just making food and then it stopped making food along the way. And I wanted to buy another one, but my husband keeps saying, I don't buy a cheap one again. Buy a good one. Buy Ninja, because I have Ninja blender. It's really good. So he keeps saying, I buy a good one, but it's very expensive. But you know, God is being faithful. He always provides. Hey, my God is good. My God always provides. So he knows I need it. Because I'm selling food on Deliveroo. Sometimes you need to warm some things are very quick. And when that was spoiled, I was very pained because my oven doesn't do the way I love air fryer so much. So I was like, how am I going to do? But you know, our God is good. Oh, hey, he never fail. Oh, he never fail. I'm just happy for buying something new. I love new things. Our God is good. Our God is good. So see this beautiful product. Now I got one. And I know I've seen like 10,000 reviews on it. So I know that it's a very good product. So I'll cherish it. Hey, we have you air fryer. Oh guys, so we have you air fryer too. I'm just so happy. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. Well, let's watch it. We have you beautiful. Bye guys. Guys, see how